Today, e-commerce has become an indispensable part of nearly every business. You can gain an edge over your competition by integrating the sales-focused power of Shopify with the versatility of Storyblok's CMS. Let's find out how. To begin, combining Storyblok and Shopify allows your business to add content marketing to the shopping experience. Through curated blogs and reports, you can create a seamless process for your customers, where they can learn more about your products and better engage with your brand. The integration also enables better alignment between marketers and IT. With Storyblok's Headless CMS, marketers can create and manage their content in a user-friendly visual editor, without having to rely on IT teams to make changes. This gives your company a whole new level of adaptability and makes it easier for your marketing team to quickly roll out new campaigns, products, or promotions. With Storyblok, businesses can easily publish their content across multiple channels, creating a seamless customer experience across desktop, mobile, smart devices, VR, and more. Finally, make your customers happier. Do away with endless systems of repeated clicks navigating between sites. Reduce discrepancies and human error by automating more systems. Ensure accurate customer, product, order, and shipping data is all saved in a single location. Your customers can take pleasure in every step of the purchasing process. A Shopify integration with Storyblok brings out the best in e-commerce and Headless CMS. Delight your customers with an experience they won't soon forget and supercharge your teams with the tools they want. Get started today.